Okay, so this is my assignment. This is my assignment title with my name on it. Starting with question one, I'm choosing XML, submit. Score will be 1-1 and the feedback will be correct. Now I'm choosing Gradle and submit. It's going to be incorrect and score will be 1-2. Going to the next question, I'm choosing on create and click submit. It will be correct and the score will update to 2-3. Now I click on reset, and once I click on reset, score will go back to 0-0. The question will be the first question. It will reset back to the first question. Same thing for feedback. It will reset everything back to the original. Going to do number one right here. So to do number one is basically it allows the screen to ask the manager for the current question and the score. Going to do two. So to do two is basically comparing the user's answer choice with the program or the correct answer that we put in the code. And if they are equal, then the score will be increased and it will return true. If not, then it will return false. Going to do number three. So to do number three is basically telling the code where is the button, where is the reset button on the screen. So here, so basically the 2 to 3 is telling the code that here is the reset button. Going down to 2 to 4, so here's my code for 2 to 4. So 2 to 4 is basically saying what will happen when the reset button is clicked. So if I choose XML, submit, go to the next question, and then I click reset, score will reset to 0. The question will reset to the first question, and the feedback will go back to the original. So that's basically what the 2 to 4 is doing. Is telling what will happen when the reset button is clicked, right? Going to 2 to 5. So 2 to 5 is basically preventing the code to crash when it's looking for the answer choice, and ensuring that the code is not out of bound, and also ensuring that um, the 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 app doesn't crash when that happened, right? So here's my code for 2 to 5. Going to 2 to 6. So 2 to 6, it basically controls the feedback and what will display based on the answer. So for example, if the answer is correct or right answer, then it will display correct, and if it's wrong, it will display incorrect. And these two will be displayed on this part right here where the feedback is, right? So that's my 2 to 6. Going to 2 to 7. So 2 to 7 is basically making a new button, and in this case it's a reset button right here, and the ID is set to what is say up here, and also the text display on the button is also set to reset or what it says up here. The button is also below the next button, which is right here, and the alignments and everything is to start and end to the parent. Going to do number 8. So even though we can test our code and everything on the emulator, to do 8 is over here to confirming that to confirm the logic is working properly and the code is handling all the data correctly. So that's the function of to do number 8. And here is my assignment structure and everything. And yeah, Here, these are my assignment. Thank you.